I've had a lot of questions on chapter 4, problem number 3, and I just wanted to real quickly run through the problem with everybody so you could see how it is done. So if you look on the left here, and I'll highlight here real quick, this is the data that you are given in the data set. So it breaks down each student's score by day of the week. So they kept track of 15 third graders and their responses every day. What they want you to do is make a bar graph of this data, and basically they want to see their number of responses per day total. So to do that, and in order to make it into a bar graph, I have entered the data into these two columns here. I have my days as one column and my total counts as my second column. The reason is in a bar graph, you're going to want your categorical variables as one variable and then your quantitative or numerical data as another variable. So you need to break up your data set so that it breaks it down into those two columns. So you may want to pause the video here so you can enter the data in, but the counts are just the total. So if you add up the Monday column, you should get 130. If you add up the Tuesday column, you should get 114. Once you do that, then you can just go into your graph builder here. So you go into graphs and chart builder. You want to choose your bar graph option and just drag it up, and it's that first bar graph. Then you're going to go down here to these two new columns that you made. Your categorical variable, your days, will go on your x-axis. That way each of the bars represents a specific day. And then those total counts, or that last column I created, will go into your y-axis, or your count one. Once you get both your variables drug into those two options, you can just click OK. And then, as you all know, you have to scroll down to find your graph here. And that's what your graph should look like. Notice if you go under Monday here, it should go up to approximately 130. I think Friday was like 148 or somewhere in there. So that is how your graph will look.